Hello, everybody, and welcome to the weekly dev stream.
No count-in this time, huh?
Yeah,
Snoot?
no, I did.
count-in?
Oh, fuck, I forgot to do the screen share. I had, dude, that's so funny because I did have it.
So you were looking at the countdown yourself.
Yeah.
But you didn't show me. A good one.
Wait,
You had a countdown for when you were going to transition.
damn it.
To let you know that you were going to transition.
Oh, this
Snoot's going to transition
that's
any
such a
minute now.
goof. I forgot to screen share on Discord. So unnecessary.
God. Oh my God.
I'm glad-
Oh, well, look, there's a,
See,
there's a stream.
Here's the
It's got a countdown.
Yeah, here's the video at least. You can see it on the screen
yeah.
share now. So
Now I can see
it
it.
was,
Wow.
it was there. You just have to imagine the
that would have
countdown.
been great 20 seconds ago. Yeah. No, it's fine.
Well, you know when the stream starts. When I start speaking, you know the stream starts. Standard stream, yes. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome. Hope everyone's good.
Welcome to stream. Welcome to stream. Holy shit.
Hopefully,
It's stream o'clock.
it's Streamer Club. Hopefully we've resolved the audio issues that we had last week.
Yeah, we had some audio issues. Should be good now. Should be good.
Should be good trademark.
If it's not, let us know. Let us know.
Yes.
So how's it going there?
Yeah, I don't know. How's it going with you?
Snoop?
I'll tell you what.
My HelloFresh arrived just before stream.
Yeah, that's off. You should have like stalled
Yeah, right. Yeah, just kept the delivery person there.
for like 10, 15
So
minutes.
can you hang on? Can you hang on to that just for a few seconds?
Yeah. No, seconds is
Yeah.
like a couple of minutes. It's like, could you wait there for like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Why? I mean,
I left my oven on.
yeah, I live because with my other HelloFresh that I'm gonna. Anyways, we should everyone. We should tell them we can't hear them. Oh, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, that's how. Yeah, it's gonna make some great content.
So,
Hello,
yeah,
everyone. Hello from Germany. Hello, Germany. Entire nation of Germany. Just said
Holy
hello.
shit.
That's nice.
that's
Wow.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you haven't been here before, then usually what happens is we talk a little bit about what's going on with the game, and we talk about stuff that's going on in the community.
Community.
General satisfactory stuff that's going on.
That's right. That's right. And this week, you might notice up here, there's no community highlights.
Yes.
And that's because the Pass It On event review that I think I'm poking
Yes. Perfect.
is going to be kind of our community highlights this week.
Yeah.
Because it's the people from the community did that stuff, and we're going to check it out.
Yeah.
So
And it's a lot.
I think we're also going to be announcing the winner of that event, right?
Yes.
I believe.
we are.
Yeah.
So if
there was a winner.
if you were there for the Pass It On event and you're curious as to who's gonna win, I don't know if they have a prize because I think last time they did have a prize. They had like some kind of voucher or something, but
Someone here who knows.
yes,
Let us know.
yeah.
But yeah.
So we're gonna be announcing a winner from their internal voting, and it's gonna be exciting. And there's a lot of entries. Like last Pass It On event was like maybe 20 or 30-ish people or so, and like this time it was twice as many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, Snoot. What is the Pass It On event? Actually.
Actually, the Pass It On.
I don't know what it is. Actually.
Oh, actually, let me tell you what it is because I actually know what it is. So the Pass It On event is like a live streaming event where a bunch of our content creators, or like anyone really, like content creators for Satisfactory, get together and like do a very long like marathon of streams, almost you can call it, where like whenever the first person playing is like rating the next one, and what they're doing is they're building on like a little a field or whatever, like the ocean in Satisfactory, where they have a theme and it's like a build battle almost. So they have like a 10 by 10 grid or whatever the grid was this time. And they have to build something along with the theme. So it's a very creative build. It's not like factory, or maybe it could be a factory functioning thing. I don't know if anyone's done that.
Usually it's more like an artistic design.
Yeah,
thing, though.
exactly.
Yeah. There's like a theme that they build to.
Exactly. So this time there was 66. Let's see if I read that right. Yeah, 66 content creators that were on the save file, and then they took the save file and sent it forward. Kind of like how we did a long time ago when we made the hot potato video, where we had a bunch of coffee stainers join in and do something creative in a save file, and then we kind of reacted to it.
Yep.
So it's gonna be kind of like that. We're gonna be reacting to what people built. I have not seen anything. Like I was
Pretty much not seen anything.
yeah, I was away while it happened, so I was away from keyboard, and I've tried to stay away as much as I can. I had to test the save file today to just make sure that it runs and everything, but other than that, I have no clue what we're getting into. So it's going to be very exciting.
Yeah, it's going to be cool. It's going to be super cool.
Yes.
Yeah, and for those who don't know, that whenever these events run, there've been 2 of them. It's kind of like a marathon of content. So like at any point you can drop in and see who's got the save file and what they're working on. And it, you know, this time it went for like almost a whole week or something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty amazing event.
It reminds me a little bit of like HDQ, where like you know it's on, like during that week, you know it's on. So you're just like, I'm just gonna turn it on and see who's on and what's going on. So it's really nice.
Yeah. It is really nice.
Yes.
Good one. So yeah, looking forward to finally checking out all the builds. That's going to be great.
Yes. And I don't know if there's a new one planned or if there's one coming up, but yeah, DC is the one who's organizing that shit. So
I believe
or
they're
part of organizing it. So
I believe there is one being organized.
hell yeah.
I believe, for sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
We will help with Signal Boost whenever that happens, because I don't know when that will be, but it would be cool to see it again. It's a really lovely event. But before we get to that, we're going to talk about the game and what's going on in terms of development of the game.
Yeah. And we've got a lot to talk about, don't we, Snap?
Oh, yeah. You better believe it, buddy. So many things to talk about. Like, for instance, do you have an example? What should we start? Where should we start, Jace? Do you have any idea?
Oh, I mean, I thought that, you know, you're back again. You should take it. You should take it from here.
I'm back again. I know exactly what's going on in the world of Satisfactory.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. How's Dave? Dave is probably, hopefully good. Dave was in, what was it? He was in an accident, or what was the thing?
No, he had a pancreatitis, I think it was. Yeah, and he was sick.
He accidentally had pancreatitis.
Yeah,
yes.
he went and got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he caught it.
That sucks.
From someone.
Yeah. But he's doing better.
But yeah, yeah. But then as for the game, we're still working on update 8, basically.
Yeah. So if you didn't know, we are doing it on update 8. I don't know if maybe that is actually like established at this point.
Yeah. It's been somewhat. It hasn't been like formally announced or anything.
No.
But yeah.
On the low, like keep it secret, you guys. Don't tell anyone, okay? But we are working on update 8.
Exactly. Shh.
Yeah.
It's just between you and us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess one thing we can say though, which is if people haven't joined in too much or like watched our videos and stuff like that, if you are not in the regular, like we are, game development for Satisfactory focuses a lot right now on finishing the game and leaving early access. So we've been focusing a lot on that, and almost all our like decisions when it comes to, you know, patching the game and updating the game, they kind of go hand in hand with that decision that we are going to finish the game at some point, and we are want to leave early accesses at some point. So the last couple of updates we've had since like update 6, 7, and 8 is also probably going to be the same case. These have been pretty small updates, all things considered. Like there hasn't been a ton of content. I know that some people have told us that wasn't a small update, but in our mind, it kind of are small updates. Like even though they are kind of game changing, you know, content-wise, there isn't too much new, and that's because we are focusing on, you know, stabilizing the game, fixing up the systems that are going into the big, like the 1.0 release. There's also a bunch of content in 1.0 that we don't want to release until the final release of the game, and that's probably, you know, that's where the cool stuff is at. So in between then and now, you're gonna get these like you've been getting these kind of updates with less things. So like last update was blueprints. And
but they set us up. They set us up to finish in the end.
Exactly. And the updates also have been like kind of not half baked, but like, you know, in update 7 there were things that we couldn't finish, or sorry, in update 6 there were things we couldn't finish. So in update 7 there was a couple of things that were like stragglers in update 6, and the same deal goes probably here in update 8, that there's probably a couple of stragglers in update 7 that we want to finish up.
And like for example, blueprints. For example, blueprints is something that we didn't really consider to be finished, but we needed to get out with update 7, so that we can get feedback from you guys, but also because other parts of the update we kind of required all that to be in as well.
Yeah.
But we had the intention of you know, working on them more. So there's going to be more blueprint work. coming in update 8 most likely. So
For sure. Update 7 was definitely
yeah.
with Blueprints, Update 7 was definitely a thing where we really value the feedback and like see how the game would change in terms of how people play it and stuff like that. So it was so important for us to just get the update out before the end of the year, so that we could get that feedback. And even though we didn't finish Blueprints in like the best state that they could be in, it was still really valuable for us to do that. So that's how the things are going right now. That's how it's going to be until the release of the game. Essentially, we do want to focus on getting these like things right before the final release. And as to how many updates there are until the final release, because I know that people always like, as soon as we release one update, it's always like, when's the next one? We don't know at this point, or maybe we do.
I know.
Or maybe we do know, but we don't want to tell
I know
you
exactly how many.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I know exactly how many actually.
Is it an even or odd number, Jace?
Yes.
Perfect answer. Yes. So, but yeah,
another 14 updates. It's gonna be a wild ride.
But yeah, as to like when things are happening, we have like an internal idea, but we can't really say anything because we don't know if that's actually gonna be a thing. We change our minds all the time. So we don't really have any news really in terms of update 8 yet, but we will hopefully soon.
Yep, pretty soon.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can start doing teaser stuff fairly soon.
Yeah.
See how it goes.